After watching the particular use of router and the how we can navigate from one component to another using router, we will see further that let's
तू
first
समझा?
run our project using command
नहीं,
ng
तू समझा
serve.
नहीं.
After typing ng space serve, you just have to enter it and it will start generating our project. Like our Angular application is being started, and on checking it is running. Okay, so what about this? So I have added some stylings in our form. If you see in login.component.html page, I have used a particular link
तू समझा?
tag for adding the bootstrap and
नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
style script tag. In our mat card style, I've added a particular style attribute with these much of values. Like I have kept our border radius 20 pixel, like you will find here. See, border radius 20 pixel. Okay. Then we have color white, that is the color of text. It will be white. In our and background color will be blue violet. That is this, and I have added some more values like margin top will be 100 pixel, margin left that is 500 pixel, margin top and margin left is of this, the outer margin that is margin top is this, and margin left, then we have margin right, you can say margin right, and padding 100 pixel. Okay, so there's a difference between margin and padding. You can learn it. I did some styling and a particular marquee tag in our form. Like I will log in here abc@gmail.com. Okay, password can be anything. On submitting, login successful, then okay. After that, I have also worked on added some features, and it's going on register page, register component. Like I told you, using routing, we are going to register page, and in register, I've added this code with some properties like first name asking, last name asking, and address asking. Alright. So first, we have to understand that when we go to login, after login, we have to see a particular dashboard page or a particular home page. So let's first create a particular new component, that is because our project is running using this. Okay, so here in PowerShell this I will it will create us a new component. First, you will see a particular welcome page after login. Okay, our welcome page component is ready. I will go further in this, and we can do styling or I will add a particular new routing, and this routing I will not I will keep it login
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
and I will give a new path, that is in curly braces path with the name welcome. Okay, and component welcome component, and here path match will be full. Okay, and what else in welcome page we have to create some sorts of cards like or angular materials material dot angular.io.